Michael, a Mercedes guy again. Hope all you folks out there are doing great. Now, broken window. When you order a door glass for a 123, you need to keep in mind that there are two different thicknesses. The early have a thicker glass. Later is thinner. Now, while you can put a thinner, later glass into an earlier car, of course, the glass will move up and down, maybe a little easier because it's a thinner glass. But if you get an earlier glass that's thicker and put it into a later car, it's going to be harder to move the window up and down. So, the thinner glass, I'm using a micrometer here. This is approaching 1/8 of an inch. However, the thicker glass, if you put them side by side, they're obviously different. So we're going to go measure a thicker glass. All right, we have an earlier car, I think this is a 79 123, and as you can see, it's thicker glass. Here's my mic, still set on the previous. No way it'll go on there. And it's about 1/16 of an inch thicker. Yeah, about 1/16 of an inch. So, when you're ordering a glass, be sure to get the right one.